Hello, Rahul. Yes. Am I audible, right? How are you? Yes. Good. Fine. Sir. Good. Yes. Hello. When will this start, Ryan? अभी तो start किया है भाई. 2 दिन हुआ है. You are asking already ending date. हाँ? कोई problem नहीं. Will end very soon. Okay. Actually, we have a good time to finish this chapter. Okay. Is there any emergency, Rahul? No, right? Yes. Good evening, Nageshwari. Good evening. Am I clearly audible, right, Nageshwari? Let me know. Do participate in this poll. Just it is enough. Yes. Thank you. Yes. Yes. Good. Hi, Chetan. Hi, SP. How are you all? Yes. Okay. Good. His chemistry class is finished, right? Chemistry class is finished. Yes, it's good. Good evening, Prakriti. Good evening. Good evening, SP. Good. Okay, well, guys, it's a good time to start. We'll go through a small recap and we'll start exactly when everybody will came. Correct now? Okay, good evening, guys, to all of you. Okay, today in this class, actually, guys, we are going to study about the 3 factors. First is Coulomb's law in electrostatics. Already we started, and I will give a much more idea about the Coulomb's law in electrostatics. Good evening, Akila. And Coulomb's law in vector form. This is very important, guys. Coulomb's law in vector form. Okay, guys, are you able to see my screen properly? Actually, with my end, it is dancing. Blink हो रहा है बहुत. Whether it is from your end also. just a minute. I will do. Yes, yes. I'm sorting out. I'm sorting out. Just give me just one minute. Now check this one. Is it correct, right? Screen is correct, visible properly. Good evening, Yashaswini. Yes. Thank you for your response, guys. Okay. Yeah, we'll start this one. And here, yeah, Coulomb's law in vector form and Coulomb force due to multiple charges. These are the three factors. Good evening. We are going this class. Okay. We'll take a quick recall what we discussed in the previous class. In previous class, we discussed about the Coulomb's law, right? Coulomb's law kya hota hai, and how will be the force depending, and everything we discussed. Correct now. Before that, let us, if I'm going to write the Coulomb's force means, how we'll write? Look at here. No need to write in a chat box. बहुत बड़ा है. Okay. F is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 Q2 divided by R square. This is for two charges. Okay. Either they are in a positive or negative. Okay. Two charges, they are separated with a small distance r. Correct now. If the two charges are same kind means same nature means they will be repel each other, right? If one charge is positive, one charge is negative means they get attractive force. Okay, either attractive force bhi hota hai and repulsive force bhi hota hai. And as usually SI unit for this force will be Newton only, Newton. And I told you that this force value will be decreases when the position of Q charge hai na, मान लो this is Q1, this is Q2. If I'm going to bring this Q2, if I'm going to bring this Q2 in this way, I'm going to place here Q2 now. Okay, now the value of force will be decreases. Actually, it is depending on the distance. It is inversely proportional to R square. Means here square of the distance may depend on. If 2 centimeter, if you're going to displace means either force ka value 4 times decrease hota hai. 4 times decrease hota hai. Correct now. One factor is distance. Second factor kya hota hai? Actually, either first time I taught this one with a air. If these charges are separated in air means force will be F. If the same charges, if I'm going to introduce here any medium, okay, any medium I'm introducing here. Okay, if I'm introducing that medium means a medium के लिए एक constant value होता है. We call that one as a K. Okay, एक K times क्या होता है? Force decrease होता है. Correct ना? For that reason we written a equation for it. Okay, first F का equation लिखने से F is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon. Epsilon is for the medium. लिख दो इधर medium. And then Q1 Q2 upon R square. Correct ना? And these two value के लिए एक equation भी बनाए थे हम. Fm divided by Fm is equal to F naught divided by K, or else K also known as the epsilon naught R. Epsilon R, relative permeability. Clear enough? These are all the factors which we discussed in our last class. Is there any doubt, guys? Is there any doubt in these concepts? Those who are watching in a YouTube, please do give a reply in a chat box. Okay. Good. It's good. If you don't have any doubt means I have a small question here. Okay. Okay. Question क्या है देखो एक बार. A table tennis ball which has been covered with a conducting paint. Conducting paint से table tennis ball को रखा है. Is suspended by a silk thread so that it hangs between two metal plates. It is hangs between two metal plates. One plate is earthed when other plate is connected to high voltage generator. Then the ball is, which is the correct option for this question. I will give, if you want additional information, means you can take the additional information through this figure. Okay, go through the question. I will give you exactly 1 minute. Time is also running. Okay, it's already 19 seconds enough. 1 minute 15 seconds I will give. Okay, good. Let's see whether your answer is correct or not. Think properly and give the answer. Still time is there. Actually, time already run there. No worries. It is not working properly. Okay, so many of you are giving answers. Good. Look at the question. A table tennis ball which has been covered with a conducting paint. Okay, इधर table tennis ball है. Okay, इसको conducting cover से connect किया. Okay, and by suspended with a silk thread so that it hangs between two metal plates. Here two metal plates are there, 1 and 2. One is actually charged with positive charges. देखो इधर positive charges. Another one will be negative charges. Correct now. Initially ball is neutral. Right? When if you're going to isolate this one, if you're going to give some isolation for a small momentum, it will come towards this side. When it will be come towards this side, no, a positive charge क्या होता है, इसके ऊपर आता है, positive charge बन गया. Correct? When it is become positive charge, that this side it came, no, it become a positively charged body, and this is also positively charged body. Due to this positive and positive charge, क्या होता है, it will be pushes that ball outward direction. In this direction, it will be push this direction, obviously. And then here, come to the point. It is the second plate is actually earthed. Correct na? Earthed. When it comes to this point, no, first it will be get attracted. First, it will be attracted. When it will be get attracted, that time the positive charge बहुत small होता है, but negative charges from the earth it will be more. It will be flows to the ball. When at this time, when it is coming this direction, no, it become more negative, right? And again here also negative charges are there. Negative क्या होता है? Again it will be pushes that ball to positive plate side. This process will be continuously takes place. Are you getting my point right? What I'm saying? Then the correct option for this question, let me know now. Now let me know. This process is continuously taking place means yes, Yashaswini, good, Srujan. Yes, it's correct. Simple harmonic motion की तरह swing होने के लिए start हो जाता है. Clear ना? Look at here, beautiful question. You have to be think. Clear ना? So many of you are given a correct answer also. I would like to appreciate them. And those who got mistake answer, no, try to analyze this one. ठीक है ना? Okay, then if it is clear means I have another question. Go through the question once again, guys. 2 point charges, 1 microcoulomb and 5 microcoulomb are separated by a certain distance. 1 microcoulomb and 5 microcoulomb. Okay, they are separated by a distance of certain distance. Okay, some certain distance R. What will be the ratio of force acting on these two? Okay, ratio of forces. Tell me. I will give you exactly 1 minute of time again. Your time is already running. I don't know why. Good, Rutuja. Well, Prakriti, cross-check it. Yashaswini, okay. अरे 44 मेंबर्स है आप लोग। थोड़ा रिप्लाई कर दो ना, आदर्शा, अनन्या, अश्विनी, वे यू पीपल, संगीता, सोनू, तनिष, चिंतना, राहुल। So many of you people are giving the answer B. गलत है, गलत है आंसर बी। Do you know why? I'm while explaining this concept, I told you that Newton's third law. Newton's third law बोल दिया था मैंने, पता है ना? Whatever the force will be 1 microcoulomb will be exert on the 5 microcoulomb. The same amount of force will be exert on the 5 microcoulomb to the 1 microcoulomb. We are not calculating the intensity here. I'm not asking intensity. I know pretty well you people are going already forward in this class. Intensity एक concept है, electric field intensity आगे. Okay, based on that one you are giving an answer here, right? It is not a correct answer. Okay, answer will be C. Okay, force ratio always be same. Force ratio always be same होता है. Clear ना? Don't go through the intensity. Still we are not at started intensity. Okay. Okay, we'll start the Coulomb's law. Guys, it's a good time to start. Okay. Coulomb's law vector form में start करने के पहले guys, I'm going to write the first Coulomb's law equation here. Look at here. F value will be equal to K into Q1 Q2 by R square. This is the general format of Coulomb's law. I will call this equation number 1. It is not giving any direction. Force का डायरेक्शन देता है, but पोजीशन का डायरेक्शन नहीं दे रहा है. This is actually scalar. It's a scalar. Now we need to convert this whole format into a vector format. That is our target. That's why what I'm going to do here in this figure, look at here. This is a Q1 charge plus Q1. This is plus Q2. Actually, I kept these two in a plane. I don't know which plane. In a plane area, I kept this two. Okay. ये दोनों के बीच में होता है ना distance. This distance, I will call this one as an R. This is scalar. That's it. If I want to express this one in a vector format, means what I want to do? No, इधर distance measure कर रहा है ना दो charge के बीच में. If I'm going to coming from distance, I'm going to measure from Q1 to towards Q2, means I want to write here R as an R12. R12 vector. This is the vector format. Clear है ना? लिख दो इधर. Then F is equal to K Q1 Q2 divided by R12 vector हो गया ना? Right? It is not completed actually. Vector format means we need to do something here. I will tell you. I will tell you this one. क्या है ना, इधर आपको यूनिट वेक्टर पता है ना? यूनिट वेक्टर वेक्टर में पढ़ाता है, राइट? यूनिट वेक्टर मींस मान लो आर कैप, वी कॉल दिस वन एज एन यूनिट वेक्टर. इसका वैल्यू होता है वेक्टर आर डिवाइडेड बाय मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ आर. Okay, now it will become a unit vector. If you're going to multiply this unit vector to this equation, no, just multiply this unit vector to this equation, you will get this equation in the form of vector. That's it. Here I will do multiplication r cap, but direction hai na r12 I need to mention here. This is it. The square is there. Okay, this is the vector format. This is the vector format. I will call this one as a 2. सर बुक में ऐसा नहीं है सर, कुछ है सर. R1 minus R2 minus R1, F12, F something. What is there? How to write that one? I will tell that one also here. Look at here, everyone. Make sure attention. These two position है ना, Q1 and Q2. We need to measure these two position from the origin of the coordinate axis. If you consider this an x-axis, this is a y-axis, means this is the origin, right? Q1 charge from the origin, it is located at a distance of R1, and Q2 charge which is located at a distance of R2. Shall I write like this? कोई problem तो नहीं है ना, right? Now we can resolve the value of R12. R12 कैसे निकलते हैं? देखो इधर, these three are vectors. Distance are in vectors now here. R1, R2, R21. R21 का भी direction ऐसे है, in this direction R21 का, right? Guys, meanwhile, if you are getting any doubt, means please do forward the doubt in a chat box. Clear है ना? This is R12. Okay, I'm going to take this outside. देखो outside लेने से कैसा दिखता है? This is R1, this is R12, and this is R2. Okay, now guys, you know vector law of addition in triangular addition. Vector addition, three methods hai basically. First one, triangle law of vector addition, parallelogram law of vector addition, polygon law of vector addition. This is triangle law of vector addition. Do you know, right? Yes, good. I'm getting one a response from Yashaswini. Guys, where you are remaining all? नींद आ रहा है क्या? ओके, अच्छा, एक कांसेप्ट के बारे में एक कहानी सुनाऊंगा आपको. कते ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವಾಗ ಕೇಳಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ. Look at here, listen here. Okay, these are the two vectors here, three vectors. We need to add this one, right? While adding, if the vectors are joining head to tail, okay, we will add directly, and the third side of our triangle which gives the resultant vector, correct now? Then if I'm going to write this one in this format, R1 plus R12, if these two are actually added, okay, and R2 will be the resultant one. Now you want answer of R12 means क्या करते हैं आप? R12 is equal to R2. This R1 you will going to take into right hand side, then it will become minus R1. Correct what I am saying? Correct now? Now put this value in this equation. R12 है ना, R12 के replace करो. Then F is equal to K into Q1 Q2 divided by R12 square. This is a magnitude, guys. This is magnitude. Keep remember, this is magnitude. R12 means you need to write R2 minus R1 whole square. This format I'm writing here, and then here, right here, no problem like this. Okay, vector है ना, इसको भी लिख दो R12 cap, right? This is also vector format. If you stop here means it is also good. This is especially important for the CBSE and as well as the direction for KCT exams. Definitely they will ask. Okay, and then if you're going to expand this R12 in this format means how to write this one? Look at here. F is equal to K Q1 Q2 divided by R2 minus R1 whole square. Okay, here R cap is there? No, we can write this one as an R2 minus R1 vector format. It is not a magnitude, it's a vector. Divided by magnitude में R12 है इधर. R12 means R2 minus R1 magnitude का. Right what I'm saying? And then further if you go into one more step means simple है, ये दोनों को multiply करो. Okay, if you multiply this one means here you will get cube root. What you will get here? Cube root आपको मिलता है. Simple है. Simple, I will write here cube root itself. Okay, this is also vector format. सब कुछ हो गया, एक ही एक बचा है. I will explain that one. Let me know up to this point. Up to this point. Okay, is it understood to everyone, right? I need answers, guys, from your end. I'm requesting everyone. If you people will not support means definitely we can't do anything in the online class, right? Because class may, if you are actually not interested means we will directly call your names and we will tell what happens and we'll definitely ask anything. Okay, it's an online mode. I want to teach to all of you through this screen. What I want to do then? Good. Good. Note down this equation. I will write this equation in a next part. One more point here, last point. We got F is equal to K Q1 q2 divided by magnitude of r2 minus r1. Here vector r2 minus r1 हो गया था. क्लियर है ना, सब कुछ ठीक था. ओके, एक ही एक बचा है, दैट इज फोर्स का डायरेक्शन. फोर्स का डायरेक्शन बोलना है इधर. कैसे, देखो ऑलरेडी बोल दिया था मैंने, दिस इज q1, दिस इज q2. यू आर कमिंग फ्रॉम q1 to q2 means you need to write here r12. Correct na, r12 vector. Okay, then q1 force actually applies the force on the q2. In which direction? Along in this direction. Correct na, that's why here I will write force on q2 due to q1, right? Or else you can write like this also, force on 2 by 1. Clear na? First we need to write on which particle force is applying, and then we need to write from which part of a charge it is applying the force. Clear na? Okay, this q2 also not will be in a simple mode, it will sit. It is also applying the force in this direction. Now force on 1 due to 2, we can write like this. Correct na? But actually we are coming from q1 to q2, then we need to take the force this one. Then here I will write force on 2 by 1 will be this equation. Simple hai. While writing this equation I will write one trick here. Trick point kya hai na, trick kya hai, if force will be 2 1 means, okay, in this side right hand side mein r value kya hota hai idhar, r value will be 1 2 1 2 1, same ho gaya na. Did I make any mistake? Just a minute guys, I'm cross checking this one. Is it correct, right? Force r12 है. In this direction if you're writing is force on 2 by 1, r12, yes, correct. r2 minus r, right, correct. Everything is correct only guys. Here r12 will come, sorry, r2 minus r1 will become. Note down this one, I will write properly. r2 minus r1. Okay, this r2 minus r1 का initial value क्या था, r of 1 2. Clear है ना? Here 2 1 means 1 2, इसका elaboration क्या होता है, r2 minus r1. Correct है, correct है. Square, no sir. Hey, in denominator square is there. Hey, yes. Printing mistake. Okay, printing mistake. थोड़ा सा adjust कर लो. And tell me if I'm making any mistakes means, okay, I will, yes, good. Is it clear, right? Coulomb's law in vector form. Is it clear? Yes, good. And is there any doubt regarding about this one? Okay, conclusion करते हैं इधर. Okay, डाइलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम में फोर्स क्या होता है, उसका कांस्टेंट वैल्यू कैसे लिखता है, सब कुछ. ओके, फोर्स के लिए इक्वेशन क्या आ गया था, सुनो इधर. फोर्स के लिए इक्वेशन आ गया था k q1 q2 upon r square. Correct now? If you are writing this one with a particularly, if this is a q1, this is q2, in this direction you are measuring means r12 होता है. Correct now? If you want to find out the value of in vector form, it means either f21 will be equal to k into q1 q2 divided by r12 square. Correct ना, इधर r12 कैप होता है. And further next step में f12 value will be equal to k into q1 q2 divided by r12 square means it is nothing but r2 minus r1 का square. Correct ना, into r12 cap. It is also vector form. Clear? And if I go to explain this k value replace करता हूं मैंने किससे, उसका abbreviation form में. At this situation, K value will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. This epsilon naught we call permittivity in free space, electrical permittivity in free space. इसका वैल्यू होता है 8.85 into 10 to the power of minus 12 Coulomb square per Newton meter square. Clear now? And the same thing if you're going to write for the medium को लिखने से, इधर medium है मान लो, here I placed one medium, water as a medium. At the time, if you want to write means m value will be equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon. This is for medium, will be equal to q1 q2 divided by r square. This is a general format, and you need to write now all the formats. Clear enough? Is it clear for everyone? Yes, good. Actually, I told you one story I want to share with you. It is not a story actually, guys. Yesterday I got a question from your end only. I don't know who asked that question. Okay. Question is that actually charge and mass का एक property होता है. Charge and mass का property होता है. Okay. Mass can exist without charge. This is kahani, Sunday kahani. Okay, mass can exist without charge, but charge cannot exist without mass. This is actually statement. Actually, based on this statement only, I got a question from the student end. क्या है उसका doubt? Sir, mass is depending upon, charge is depending upon the mass means mass should also depending upon the charge. No. Why we are saying that mass is not depending on the charge? This is cannot. Sorry, mass. Mass can. This is our sweet question. I understood that one. I will explain that one here. Mass can exist without charge. Yes. No, Lata. What I'm asking? No, question is very simple. Look at here. I will take one more. Look at here. This is mass. Look at this is mass. Or say mass can exist without charge. Without charge also mass exists. This is our statement. Actually, in all the textbook it is there. Okay, mass can exist without charge, but charge can't exist without mass. Why? Charges are balanced. No. You definitely remember this value of statement. What I will be going to say no throughout this semester. Definitely. How everything will be. There are so many critical sentences are there. You can exist. Okay, you can listen those all things. But simple way it is there. Okay, I will give an analogy to this one. Analogy. Okay, what I thought, that analogy I will give. This is your home. This is your home. Okay, these are the peoples. You people are living in this home. You people are living in this home. Okay, I will going to consider you people all as an electrons or charges. Electron or charges के तरफ treat कर रहा हूं मैं. Home, I am treating this one as an mass. Now, you people are constructed this mass. Okay, भूल जाओ सबको. Okay, ये home है ना. You people are actually depending upon, you people depend on whom? Correct now? Let me know in a chat box. You people are depending on whom? Yes, good. Is that whom depending on you people? Is that home is depending on you people? Without you people also home can exist there. Correct now? If you go outside of the village, outside of the city, outside of earth, means also home will be stay there itself. Correct now? Home is actually not depending on you people. Similar way, in a similar way, here mass also not depending upon charge, but you people are depending on the home. No, in a similar way, charges are depending on mass. We can say charge depend on mass. I think it is understood to everyone, right? This is the important question also, even too. Okay, is that you asked the question yesterday? I don't know that. Who is that properly? Yes, pretty good answer this one. Maybe this answer you reached. Okay, well, koi problem nahi. Where I'm explaining. These are the things all over, right? Okay, good. Okay, we'll come to the next point. This is a point we need to study today also. Force due to multiple charges, or else we can call this one as an principle of superposition also. Principle of superposition is nothing but, guys, we need to add everything. In last 11th May, okay, 11th standard, you studied this principle of superposition in waves. Correct ना? Waves में क्या करते थे आप? Actually, one wave is like this. मान लो, this is the first wave. In another one will be the same phase like this, means you people will be add these two amplitude and the resultant amplitude will become like this. Correct na? What you did basically, amplitude को add किया था उधर. This is called principle of superposition. This is called principle of superposition. Yes, but here we need to apply the principle of superposition for a charges. चार्जेस के लिए अप्लाई करना है. कैसे? देखो इधर मेरे पास बहुत चार्जेस है. Q1 I will call, Q2, this is Q3, this is Q4, and this is special kind of charge. I will call this one as an Q0. Why I will call this Q0 means I will tell you. Okay, here Q0 directly I will tell you. Q0 I will call this one as an test charge. Test charge means कितना फोर्स एक्ट हो रहा है वो टेस्ट चार्ज के ऊपर. ड्यू टू दिस ऑल द चार्जेस Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 I need to find out here. Understand, right? That is the actually major topic here. We'll start this one. Look at here. First Q1 के वजह से how the force will be act? Always it is along the line joining of two charges. Force will be act along the line joining 2 points. Along the line joining 2 points means here Q1 से Q0 के ऊपर in this direction force will be act. Correct ना? The force can written as here F on Q0 due to Q1. I will write like this. The first force, sir, matter of form by atom. In atom, photon, neutron, electron are there. Then but are depend upon the other is one other is. Yes, of course. Yes, Minaj, right? Matter is there form of atom only. Atom, proton, neutron, electron are there. Then both are depend upon the one another. Yes, actually देखो इधर proton and neutron, they are formed in a nucleus. Okay, inside the nucleus there is an, if you know, right, nuclear reactor, power generator, correct? Now nuclear or nucleus, when it will be break, it will releases the enormous amount of energy, right? Then this energy will be come out, means just because of their product of the proton and neutron present inside the nucleus. That's why they are dependent inside. And here electron is revolving around this nucleus, means electron, suno means electron is revolving around this nucleus, means it is depending upon the proton, because it requires an electrical force to revolve around this one, correct now, or else it won't revolve. These fundamental particles are depending on themselves. But I told that total mass क्या होता है भाई? I will give you one more example also. Where is my pen? हाँ, sorry for the interruption guys. देखो इधर, ये mass है. I give this answer. This is mass. Okay, mass के अंदर atom है, means atom के अंदर electron, proton and neutron भी होता है, correct ना? These are all depend on the mass, depend on mass, but mass is not depending on them, means now मान लो one atom, if I'm going to take this atom, means this atom may be become negatively charged one, means high negative charges, correct na? But mass, if you're going to take whole mass, means this mass may be neutral also, no, means positive charge and negative charge क्या होता है ना, वो equal होता है, right? That's why mass can be neutral at that moment. Mass is not depending upon the charge. This is what my answer actually. Clear now? Now it is clear, right? Yes, good. Thanks, bro. Well, एक हो गया. दूसरा भूल मत जाना इधर, फोर्स कैलकुलेट कर रहा हूं हम. ओके, Q2 वजह से along the line joining towards the Q0, force will be acting in this direction. We can call this one as an force acting on Q0 by Q1, second force, correct now? In a similar way, third force along the line joining point in this direction, correct now? F on Q0 due to Q3 हो गया. And fourth one क्या है? इधर से इसके ऊपर in this direction force act हो रहा है, means force on Q0 due to Q4, correct? Now we need to add all these forces to calculate how much force is acting on this test charge. कितना force act कर रहा है इसके ऊपर, that one we need to calculate. Now net force can be given by, net force will be equal to F Q0 Q1 and then plus F, the Q0 है ना, simply I will write 0, okay, 0, and Q1 means 1, 2 means 2, I will write 2 plus F, again come 3 plus F0 4, like this. N number of particles are there, means N number of particles also act the force on this test charge. That's why I will write up to F on 0 means Q0 charge by nth charge. This is called the principle of superposition. Is it clear for everyone, right? फटाफट से बोल दो इन चार्ट बॉक्स में. Is it clear, right? Chat box should be blast now. 45 members are there. Blast कर सकते हैं ना इधर chat box में. Good Yashasini, good Tanu, good SP. SP of full form. Next, Minaj good, Srishti good, Rutuja well, Sanya good. Okay, I have another one interesting question here. Okay, question पूछता हूँ मैंने भरत, you have to answer this one. Niranjan, okay, try to answer this one. Okay, इधर एक चार्ज है, this is question Q1 charge है and it is separated at a distance R with a Q2 charge. Okay, ये दोनों को बीच में force the F, सुनो, two charges separated by a distance R, इन दोनों को बीच में force the F. Now what I will do, I'm going to introduce one more charge here, Q3. Okay, if I introduce this charge Q3 at any point surrounded by this two position, okay, is there any change in this force? Force change होता है क्या? Good, good. I need answer. Try to participate. No need to hesitate, guys. Even if your answer is wrong also, I will tell why, what is the reason behind that one. Okay. I got only 6 to 7 responses. Guys, are you sleeping? Okay, good. Okay, this force value will not change. मैंने बोल दिया था ये दोनों के बीच में फोर्स कितना होता है ना, उतना फोर्स ही लगता है. फोर्स, दिस फोर्स वैल्यू विल नॉट चेंज. Q1 Q2 के ऊपर कितना फोर्स डालता है ना, सेम फोर्स विल बी रिमेनिंग हियर. एंड Q2 Q3 के ऊपर कितना फोर्स डालता है, द सेम फोर्स विल बी रिमेन. हाँ, सेम डायरेक्शन ओनली, डायरेक्शन आल्सो नॉट चेंज. एडिशनल थिंग क्या है ना, एडिशनल थिंग इज दैट Q3 also applies the force on this Q2. But original force था ना Q1 से Q2, that will not change. Right? Now it is understood to everyone, right? Initially Q1 कितना force डालता था Q2 के ऊपर, same force will be there. It will not alter. It will not alter by the entering of third charge. Right? But few amount of force will be addition due to Q3. Okay. Is it clear for everyone, right? Shall I want to explain once again? You people want once again explanation, or shall we move? Yes, Sagar. Yes, Sagar. I will explain. I know. I will explain. Okay. So now this is Q1. This is Q2. Okay. This is the line joining point. They are separated by a distance R. Now Q1 acts the force on Q2 F. Q1 इसके ऊपर force act कर रहा है F1. Okay. And then Q2 also acts the force on Q1 in this direction F2. Yes, Shishni, will go. Okay. And if I'm going to introduce third charge Q3 means this force है ना F2 by 1. Q1 apply करता था ना second charge के ऊपर. This force will not change. It will be remain same. But Q3 के ऊपर additional एक force add होता है. That's it. This original force था ना, ये remains same होता है. It will not change. Hope it is clear. Hope it is clear. If it is clear means, guys, let me know in a chat box and start to calculate the problem. Compute this problem. Let me know how many of you will finish this problem in a time. Time is running. Okay, check kar lo bhai. I need answer for this question. The current produced in a wire, it is 10 to the power of 7. The value is 10 to the power of 7, guys. Okay. Electron per second are following in it. Sorry, are flowing in it. कितना current produce होता है? Okay, calculate, Danish. Danish. Okay. Yes, Nandini. Good. हाँ, 10 to the power of 7, Hemant. We'll check. Good, Yashaswini. Excellent effort. Okay, we'll check it. Current means how we will write the current value. 10th standard itself, you know, right? Current is equal to Q by T. Correct now. Here they given 10 to the power of 7 electron per second. Number of electron per second दिया है, charge नहीं दिया है. That's why what we need to do, इसको थोड़ा elaborate करना है. Q means n into E divided by T. Q I will write as an n into E divided by T. Simple question है. Time pass का. Okay. Here they already they given a data of n by T. Number of electrons per unit time. इधर है ना? It is 10 to the power of 7 into E का वैल्यू कितना होता है? 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 Coulomb. Correct. Then next thing. देखो इधर ये 10 to the power of 7 है means इसके पास कुछ भी नहीं means 1 है. Correct ना? 1 into 1.6, 1.6 itself into 10 to the power of minus 19 plus 7 कितना होता है? Minus 19 plus 7 means 10 to the power of minus 12 ampere. This is the current value. How many of you got this answer? Cross check your Maranayaka. Bro, cross check your answer. Power थोड़ा sign mistake हो गया है. Everything is correct. Good. Perfect. Okay. थोड़ा sign change करो. Or else you might be actually this is a question JEE last JEE question एक टेस्ट हुआ था हमारा उधर पूछा था मैंने. Okay. In that option 1.6 into 10 to the power of plus 12 भी था. देखो if that answer you are going to take means you are going to simply lose the 4 marks ना. Damn that one. 4 marks loss होता है, कोई problem नहीं. उसके साथ साथ ये 1 marks भी जाता है ना. If you are attended means, right? That's why while after calculation cross check it once quickly, right? After then you give the answer. And meanwhile guys, please do participate in NPS poll. Good. And we'll come to the next question. Here also question is there. Those who are attended NPS poll, no, please do calculate this problem. Right Nandini, right answer. But power थोड़ा power के ऊपर थोड़ा नजर लगता हूँ. Okay. Actually your answer power is plus 12. You written here. Time is running. Hey, excellent. Right answer. Right answer. सनिया चेक करो एक बार. चेक मारियो मैं. Cross check it. No अनन्या. क्रॉस चेक करो एक बार. Yes, Srushti, correct. Correct, Ashwini. Well effort. Right, Sujan. Right, Akila. Yes, Ashwini, right. Yes. Now you people are in a track. I got all answers from everyone. That's great. Okay, we'll calculate this one. Those who are not yet completed, try to do yourself now itself. And I will also do. If you're getting any problem is just follow this method. What they given? 2 point charges they given. First one is plus 3 microcoulomb. Second one will be plus 8 microcoulomb. Dono plus hai. Okay. Repel each other with a force of 40 Newton. Means either plus 3 microcoulomb and then plus 8 microcoulomb. दो चार्जेस है, करेक्ट ना? ये दोनों के बीच में रिपल्शन फोर्स होता है ना, ड्यू टू द प्लस, दैट फोर्स विल बी 40 न्यूटन. राइट नाउ व्हाट आई विल डू, आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड -5 microcoulomb to both the side. I will add minus microcoulomb to these two things. Now what will be the new force we need to calculate? New force का value क्या होता है? This is a question. Now let us check here. First equation I will write like this. For first scenario क्या लिख सकते हैं हम? F is equal to K Q1 Q2 by R square. R square they didn't give and no कोई problem नहीं. K value is common. Actually they are separated in air. No, that's why we no need to change anything here. Then Q1 का value कितना है? Plus 3 microcoulomb into Q2 का value कितना है? Plus 8 microcoulomb divided by R square as usual. Right now, next thing, multiply this two. Okay, first I will write microcoulomb का value also. Okay, 3 into, okay, let me know what is the value of microcoulomb. Microcoulomb का value कितना होता है? 10 to the power 10 to the power, right, 10 to the power of -6 into 8 into 10 to the power of -6. दोनों का ऐड किया मैंने इधर r square. आंसर कितना आता है? 3 into 8 into 3 means 24 into bases are same, add the index, दोनों को index add करो, then it will be 10 to the power of -12 divided by r square. This is the first one. This is first one done. Second one क्या है? अब देखो, second one I will write here new force. New force क्या होता है इधर? K into Q1. Q1 के लिए क्या कर रहा हूं मैंने? -5 microcoulomb को ऐड कर रहा हूं. Okay, then we know one point here again. Addition of charges is a scalar quantity. First day I told you that in Mango, if you're going to take means in a shopkeeper, how you will take 1 2 3 like that counting only, right? Means common addition करते हैं इधर. Means either plus 3 minus 5 means it will give -2 microcoulomb. Change it now, correct ना? And again -5 microcoulomb add करने से second charge के लिए now it will become plus 3 microcoulomb. Substitute that value here. Now Q1 का value कितना होता है? -2 microcoulomb into plus 3 microcoulomb divided by r square. Again expand करो. Again you will get here -6 micro means 10 to the power of -6. 10 to the power of -6 means 10 to the power of -12 divided by r square होता है. Actually we need to calculate this new force. No, that's why I will call this equation number 1. This is equation number 2. I will divide these two equations. On dividing equation 2 by 1 I will write Fn new force divided by old force, previous force, will be equal to Fn का वैल्यू कितना आ गया इधर? देखो, -6 into 10 to the power of -12 divided by r square. ये हो गया. डिनोमिनेटर में F है ना, प्रीवियस फोर्स, उसको लिख दो into here 24 into 10 to the power of -12 divided by r square. Right, this denominator of the denominator comes to numerator. No, simple mathematics है इधर भी. We can erase this one, right? And then r square get cancel each other. 6 ones are 6, 4s are this 10 to the power of -12, this 10 to the power of -12 cancel. Remaining thing will be Fn divided by F is equal to 1 by 4 along with the negative sign. Don't forget this negative sign. Clear na? And then multiply karo F ko right hand side ko. Then it will become Fn is equal to minus F divided by 4. Already we know that F value, previous value is 40 Newton. Substitute karo either 40 by 4. 4 ones are 4 tens are. Means F new force will become out to be minus 10 Newton. Is it understood to everyone, right? Right. Excellent, excellent. I'm getting okay, Nandini, right answer. Is it understood to everyone, right? Let me know in the chat box quickly. Okay, that's great. How's the session? Interesting agidela? Are you feeling right? Interesting? I'm not at board anytime. This is also sure. Good. Yes. Thank you. And meanwhile, if you people are looking any changes, means let me know in a chat box. Okay. It will be give an idea to compute the classes in different mode. Means if you people have a different thoughts, no, I will try my level best to coming class. I will adopt those things also. Cool. Yes, Ganesh. Good. Okay. इधर एक homework problem दे रहा हूँ तो आपको. This is a homework problem. Take this one as an homework one. I will explain what you need to do. And tomorrow class, I will start from this point of view. This is a homework problem. Okay. Problem kya hai na? We need to find out the net force acting on any one of the corner of the charges for the given configuration. मान लो इधर charge है Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Okay. All the charges are equal. Means Q1 is equal to Q2 is equal to Q3 is equal to Q4. We can say directly it is as in Q itself. Okay. Any one corner पूछ रहा है ना Q4 के ऊपर कितना force लगता है आपको calculate करना. I will give you one more hint also here. Not hint, actually parameter. The separation distance is A. This is A. This is also A. And this is also separation distance here. Okay, it's a square basically. Okay, you need to calculate the net force acting on this Q4. Hope it is clear to everyone. Okay, done. Thank you guys. Thank you for your response. And you people are 45 only. Since from the first class, I'm observing the same strength. Try to inform your friends also. Okay, wherever you go for the tutorials and what are the points, they also teach the same point what we are teaching. Okay, try to tell your friends also to attend the class. Okay, meanwhile you will get good wrap up with the teachers also for that reason. Okay, thank you so much. Bye. Bye everyone. Bye bye. Bye Ganesh. Bye Kila. Bye Sridevi. Bye Sujan. Bye Tanish. Okay guys, we'll wind up this session. Take care. Bye bye.